Hello everyone and welcome back to our very next video for mathematics. Yes, before we start, let's do a warm-up activity. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I really forgot I had kept coins here. But then, going to a second thought, can you identify these coins for me?
Now look at these coins. Half paisa, 1 naya paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, two different varieties of 10 paisa. Then here we have 20 paisa, two different varieties of 20 paisa. 25 paisas, two varieties of 25 paisa. 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. There are two varieties of 5 rupee. So these were all Indian coins. Now here I have one Singapore 5 cent. You can see this is a Singapore coin. It is for 5 cent. So these are the collection of coins. Now let us see different varieties of notes. So this is 1 rupee note. You can see the two varieties. We have second variety, 2 rupee note. Then we have a 10 rupee note. This is the second variety. Now we have even a new note which has come out. I'm going to a 20 rupee note. Old 100 rupees note. New 200 note. And 500 note. Earlier we saw different varieties of Indian notes. Now let us see the notes from abroad. You can see this note. These two notes are from Bangladesh. Let's go to the next one. Here we have this note from Sri Lanka. And there's another one more note. This note belongs to Jordan. And here we have two notes from Kuwait. We have again here two notes from Oman. And we have here two other notes from Brazil. There you can see a Singapore currency. United States of America. Then this note belongs to Saudi Arabia. And here we have Riyal from Qatar. And there are many more such notes. You can see the different varieties of note. The notes currency changes from country to country. So here we saw different kind of currencies and notes which belong to our country India as well as the other countries abroad. So many varieties we saw, didn't we? By now, you all would have got an idea that we'll be dealing with today and what our chapter is all about. But before we start our chapter, let's do the mind map first. So here, this is a mind map for our chapter 10, that is money. Money, two topics under money, that is Indian currency and operation with money. Under Indian currency, we have notes and coins. Then the second one is relation among different notes and coin. Now under operation with money we have addition of money. So these will be the topics and subtopics that we would be doing in our chapter 10, that is money. So let's start first with Indian currency. And you have already seen different notes and coins under Indian currency. That was, we saw 200 rupees note, 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note, 100 rupees note and 500 rupee note. And there were coins also which we saw. They were half paisa, 1 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 50 paisa
then we had seen 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. So these were the coins which we just saw. So we'll be now doing relation among different notes and coins. So what is the relation between different coins and the notes which we have? Before that, I'll just show you a small thing that contains in a coin.
Now let's see a small detail about coin. You can see here the value written, this 5 rupees coin. You can see the value. This particular part of the coin is called heads, and the other part, after flapping you can see the other part, this is called tails. So where value is written, that is called heads, and this part is tails. Now we'll see relation among different notes and coins. So here you can see I have a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note, and there a 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee note and a 1 rupee coin. The value for both are same, there is no difference. This also values for 1 rupee, and here this coin also values for 1 rupee. Now let us see the another note. Let us see another note. This is 2 rupee note, and here we have a coin for 2 rupee. So here you can see note and coin. The value of these both are same. Note is also 2 rupee, coin is also 2 rupee. So the relation between these, between the coin and the note is same, the amount is same, there is no difference at all. So we saw different kinds of notes, both of Indian currency as well as the currencies which were from abroad, yes, from other countries. Then we saw different varieties of coins. Next we saw the relationship between note and coin. The same, it contains, both of them had same value, be it coin or note. A 2 rupee coin or a 2 rupee note both have a same value. Now our next topic is operation with money. Under operation with money we will be doing addition of money. So let's see how do we add money. Now let's add 2 coins of same value. So here you can see 5 and 5. So we have 2 coins and we can add 2 coins of different value with help of skip counting. So you have learned skip counting, right? 5, skip 5 and go. So the next number is 10. So 5 plus 5, 10. So the value of these 2 coins is same as this note of 10 rupees. So when 2 5 rupees coin come together, we get 10 rupee. Now let's see another combination where we get this 10 rupee. So here I have a 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, another 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coin and 2 25 paisa coin. So here you can see the coins. So when the values change, we will add by taking the value of higher hierarchy. So here the coin with maximum value. So here the maximum value coin is 5 rupees. So we'll start adding 5 in our mind. The next number is 2. 2 in our hand. After 5, 6, 7. So till here we got 7 rupees. Now 7 in our mind, 1 in our hand. After 7, 8. So here 8. Next another 1 rupee. 8 in our mind, 1 in our hand. 8 plus 1, 9. So till here we have 9 rupees. Now you can see 50 paisa, 25 paisa, 25 paisa. When two 25 paisa come together, it is equal to 150 paisa. So two 25 paisas is equal to 50 paisa. And when two 50 paisas come together, that is 100 paisa, is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. That means 1 rupee has 100 paisas in it. So now we'll start counting. We had 9, right? So here 25 plus 25 equal to 50. So these two coins together make a total of 50. And here we have another 50 paisa. So these two 50s will make 1 rupee. So the value of these three coins together is 1 rupee. Now these 4 coins, the value of these 4 coins was 9 rupees. So 9 rupee plus 1 rupee, 9 in your mind, 1 in your hand. 9 plus 1, next number is 10. So the total value of these coins is same as this one single note, that is 10 rupee. So you could see different combinations how we get a value of 10 rupee by adding 7 coins or by adding just 2 coins. In both ways we got only one same answer, that is 10 rupees. Now we'll see other coins. So here you can see I have a 20 paisa coin and I have a 2 10 paisa coins. So 10 plus 10 will give me 20. Here I am adding the coins of same value. 10 paisa plus 10 paisa gives me 20 paisa. So when same value, we do skip counting. So here skip counting of 10. We get 20 here. And if I am taking notes right now, I have a 10 rupee note. I have another 10 rupee note. So you can see 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. Here when I add these two notes of same value, that is 10, I get sum of 20. So here 2 notes of same value, that is 10, gives me the amount that is equal to this one single note, that is 20 rupees. So 2 10 rupees, when it comes together, it is equal to one single note of 20 rupees. So we saw just now how we can add money. So coming to your textbook, I want all of you to open at page number 134 and we'll do a few exercise problems there. So first one, just about the exercise, we have a problem given where it is told a girl named Rashmi, she found 8 coins in her room. She found 8 coins in her room. So first one, she found 10 rupees coin, that is one 10 rupee coin, 2 5 rupees coin and 5 2 rupees coin. Now we all know value of one 10 rupee coin is 10. So the value here is 10. Now value of 2 5 rupee coin. 2 groups.
of value 5 each. So what do we do? Yes, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, the value is 10, right? Now, the third room, that is room number C. She has 5 coins of value 2 each, 5 coins, so 5 groups of value 2 each, 5 groups, so 5, value of 2 means 2, so 5 into 2, again we have here 10. So when 5 coins of 2 rupee are added together, the value which we get is 10. Now, what is the total value that Reshmi got from these 8 coins? What is the total value of these 8 coins? 10 plus 10 plus 10. So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of value 10 each. 3 groups, that is 3. Value of 10 each is 10. 3 into 10. The answer is 30. So you have seen how we got the total value by adding different denomination. My dear students, we have come to the end of our chapter 10, that is money. But before we wind up, I want you all to take down an activity for this chapter. Now we all go out for purchasing, right? So next time, whenever you're going out with your parents, I want you to take down the list of items that are bought and the total amount spent by your parents. Now we all know the price of the objects are mentioned in the packet of the items bought. So what you have to do is you have to find out the price and you have to add and get the total of the products that were purchased by your parents. So we have come to an end of this video for chapter 10, that is money. Hope you all understood the chapter. Study well. Take care. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.